How to adjust tailgate stop. So this is a stop stud. So that's the tailgate at a closed position, and this stud will keep the tailgate a little bit on top of this rubber piece. So this can be adjusted up and down. So if you look at here, it seems that there are two different diameters: the threaded part, thick threaded part, and a thinner threaded part. So it seems to me, and this knot is for holding the whole stud, and then there is a thinner threaded rod. This can be adjusted by using, I think it's a Allen key. I think it's a Allen key. You can turn this, and this nut should be a lock nut. When you want to adjust the height of the stop, you can lose this one and then use Allen key to adjust the stud up or down to make sure there is at the rest position a little bit touch the gate. So after you adjusted, you can tighten this small thinner knot to lock it in the position. And if you look at the D-pillar panel, so D-pillar panel, that hole for the courtesy light, and there is opening over here. So at the installed position, I think this is just over this adjustment. So you should be able to use a screwdriver to turn this and to remove this cap at the installed position. If you look at this side, you can see, and here the opening, that where the cap can be removed. So if you use a screwdriver on the other side and turn this to the gap, you can see that cap can be removed. So after you remove the cap, you should have enough space to access. So you can see you can access the adjustment for the tailgate stop stud. So that's how to adjust the tailgate stop.